Interjections.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. I'm looking for a room to rent. Can you help me? Alas, I don't know many people in this colony. I will not be able to help you much. Oh, I was sure you would be able to help me. You can take help from Preeti. She knows everyone here. Wow, that is a superb idea. In the dialogues, the boys have used words that express sudden feelings and emotions. The words hello, hi, alas, oh, wow are examples of interjections. Definition: an interjection is a word that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion like that of joy, sadness, disgust, amazement, anger, or excitement. An interjection is followed by an exclamation mark and has no grammatical relation with other words in the sentence. Let us look at a few sentences. Hooray! We have won the match. Ah, she's leaving the town tomorrow. Bravo! You have done very well in the test. In the first sentence, hooray is an interjection as it expresses the feeling of joy. In the next sentence, ah is an interjection as it expresses the feeling of sadness. In the third sentence, bravo is an interjection as it expresses emotions related to approval, praise, and encouragement. Here is a list of some interjections. Hush! Hey! Well done! Good gracious! Ha! Phew! Interjections. Please, do not interrupt the teacher. Wow! What a wonderful time we had at the mall. Hey! This is an awesome microwavable dinner. Wow! What a fabulous experience for students. Ah! So you have finally decided to go. Hush! What an incredibly rude thing to say. No, I can't take it anymore. Wow, you look great in those clear heels. Great, the police are coming. Ouch, the earth is shaking. Please, get out of here. Hey, I love this class. Please, stop that Chris Brown record. Hey, come, help me. Ah, I need more time.